In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slide in Arc Raiders. Sliding is one of those simple moves that can make a huge difference once it clicks. We're going to keep this straightforward. You'll learn how to trigger a slide every time, how to make it last longer, and when it's most useful so you can move faster, dodge danger, and squeeze through tight spots with confidence. First, log into a game so you can test this in a live environment. Any match will do. The goal is just to have space to move and get a feel for the timing. Give yourself a few seconds to get comfortable with your movement so you're not distracted by enemies or objectives while you learn the motion. Now, start sprinting around with your character. The key here is momentum. You want to be in a full sprint, not just a casual run. If you see your character leaning forward and covering ground quickly, you're in the right state. Keep that speed going. While you're sprinting, tap the Control key to initiate the slide. Control is the standard control key on your keyboard. If you time it correctly, your character will drop low and glide forward smoothly. That low profile is great for slipping behind cover or cutting across open ground without being as exposed. From here, controlling the length of the slide is simple. If you want a short, snappy slide, just tap Control quickly. If you want to slide longer, hold the Control key longer. The game ties the slide distance to both how long you hold the key and how much momentum you have. Faster sprints lead to longer, cleaner slides. Terrain matters too. Slight downhill paths help you carry speed, while uphill or cluttered areas will slow you faster. Release the key when you're ready to transition back into running so you can keep your flow. Now, let's talk about why you'd use this. Slides are incredibly useful for getting through small spaces quickly, slipping under sight lines, and repositioning during fights. Use a quick slide to break a predictable path or a longer slide to cross a risky angle before enemies can track you. Aim where you plan to exit before you slide so you pop up facing the right direction. That's all there is to it. Log in, get to a sprint, tap Control to slide, and hold it longer when you need extra distance. Practice a few runs, and soon this movement will feel natural and automatic.